Good morning to everyone. It's Tablescape for two time. And as you can tell, I have put a beautiful tablescape for you together for two. This is going to be a pretty simple basic one except for the beautiful centerpiece that I put together. The whole place setting I've had for quite some time, so none of that is new. The only thing that is really new on this table is these pumpkins I bought over at Ross. Wasn't it beautiful? It was a great find, and I love it that the lights change on the pumpkin. And also the other new thing I got was the pumpkin coasters. Everything else I've had for quite some time. But didn't those two new pieces really set this table off nice? I love the way the table looks. The tablecloth looks so rustic. I thought it turned out really nice. What do you think? And there's my brand new pumpkin coasters. Are they not beautiful? They just pop right off the table. That's why I bought them. Something a little glitzy, but nice. I hope you're enjoying everything else on this place setting I've had for years. Nothing else is new. The only thing is the coaster and the beautiful pumpkin that lights up. Even my candlesticks and my bees I've had for quite some time. I love a beautiful floral arrangement, and of course, you know Grandma loves sunflowers. So I do have a lot of sunflowers on this tablescape, but none of them are new, and they've all been in past posts. And some of these flowers and greenery I've had for 2 or 3 years. Grandma saves all of her florals, and I try to keep them in a box and keep them fresh, for I can use them over and over again. And of course, that beautiful lace under it really sets it off well too, I think. What do you think about this tablescape? Leave me a comment and let me know. Even though it was a basic place setting, I always love a dramatic floral arrangement in the center of my table, and I love putting them together. That is something I've always done from the beginning of my channel, doing floral arrangements. I love them. I love those beautiful dramatic sunflowers that I probably have had for about 2 or 3 years. They're one of my favorite flowers. And of course, my bee stick pans and my candles are my favorites too. I've decided not to even pull them out for my candles because I love them so. And the little bees on my candlesticks are another one of my favorites. But you know Grandma, once she finds something she loves, she hates to not use it as much as possible. The sunflowers I use year-round because I love them. And of course, fall is one of my favorite times of the year. It starts cooling off. It's more nicer to be outside. I can work in my garden. And I'm going to try to start doing some more garden projects to share with you too. I hope you're enjoying this tablescape I put together today. I thought it turned out pretty nice. The glasses, the red plates, and the cups were all from Dollar Tree. But none of that is new. I've had them at least a year or more. And I like to put nice pieces with pieces that are less expensive to show that you can upscale even a simple tablescape. Now, this is my second tablescape centerpiece that I put together. The only thing I changed was the pumpkin in the center. That's the only difference I made. And I added a few more of my beautiful sunflowers and a few more little things scattered about the table in greenery. But all of this I've already had, though even the pumpkin in the center I have used in past posts. I love to reuse and repurpose as much as possible to show you can use things you already own and have and make it look totally different by just turning the pumpkin around, adding more florals, and just doing little touches here and there, and it looks totally brand new. Don't you agree? Let me know which centerpiece you like best, Tablescape 1 or Tablescape 2. I couldn't tell you which is my favorite because I love them both, but let me know what you think. You know how much I love florals. Let me know what you thought about all the florals on the table. Didn't it make the table look so much better just having the florals? I think that is so important for a nice table. Now, if these were sitting across from each other, of course I wouldn't have something this big. But if you have someone sitting at each end or the two in the center like I'm showing here, I think it looks wonderful. Please let me know what you think. I really love hearing everything you have to say. I love hearing your opinions, for it helps me know what you want to see in the future. I love you all. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Don't forget I love you so, and we'll see you in the next video. Little slideshow at the end if you want to see it.